everyone. Today we are going to see about fish spawning. Introduction. Spawn in the eggs and sperm released or deposited into water by aquatic animals. Spawn refers to the process of releasing the eggs and sperm, and the act of both sexes is called spawning. Spawn consists of the reproductive cells of many aquatic animals, some of which will become fertilized and produce offspring. The process of spawning typically involves females releasing ova into the water, often in large quantities, while males simultaneously or sequentially release spermatozoa to fertilize the eggs. Time and location. Different fish species have specific times and locations for spawning. Some may spawn in freshwater rivers, while others prefer saltwater oceans. Timing often coincides with favorable environmental conditions such as water temperature and daylight hours. External fertilization. Most fish practice external fertilization, where females release eggs and males release sperm into the water simultaneously. The sperm fertilizes the eggs in the water column. This is in contrast to internal fertilization, which is less common among fish. Courtship and behavior. Before spawning, many fish engage in courtship behaviors, which can involve intricate rituals, displays, or vocalizations to attract mates. These behaviors help ensure successful reproduction. Egg development. Once fertilized, fish eggs develop in the water. The time it takes for eggs to hatch varies depending on the species and environmental conditions. Fish eggs are vulnerable to predation, so many species produce a large number of eggs to increase the chances of some survival. Parental care. Not all fish provide parental care, but some do. In some species, one or both parents may protect the eggs and fry after spawning, which increases the chances of survival. Migration. Some fish species undertake long migrations to reach their spawning grounds. Famous, for example, include salmon, which swim upstream from the ocean to freshwater rivers to spawn, often against strong currents. Conservation importance. Understanding fish spawning is crucial for fisheries management and conservation efforts. Protecting spawning grounds and ensuring sustainable fishing practices are essential for maintaining fish population. Aquaculture. In aquaculture, controlling the spawning process is important for breeding and raising fish in captivity, allowing for the production of seafood. Merits of fish spawning. Reproduction. Fish spawning is crucial for replenishing fish populations. It ensures the production of new generations of fish, helping maintain healthy and sustainable populations. Genetic diversity. Spawning allows for the mixing of genetic material from different individuals, increasing genetic diversity within a population. This diversity can enhance a population resilience to environmental changes and diseases. Food web. Fish spawning plays a pivotal role in aquatic food webs. Fish eggs and fry are a vital food source for various aquatic organisms, including other fish species, birds, and aquatic invertebrates. Ecosystem health. Healthy fish populations maintained through successful spawning contribute to the overall health and balance of aquatic ecosystem. They can help control prey populations and prevent overgrowth of certain species. Economic value. Fish spawning is essential for commercial and recreational fishing industries. It supports jobs in economies by providing a sustainable source of seafood and recreational opportunities. Education and awareness. Fish spawning events can raise awareness about the importance of preserving aquatic ecosystem and the need for responsible fishing and conservation practices. Demerits of fish spawning. Environmental disruption. Human activities such as dam construction, urban development, and population can disrupt natural spawning habitats and migration routes, leading to a decline in fish populations. Invasive species. Some invasive species can outcompete native species for spawning sites and disrupt the natural balance of aquatic ecosystem. Predation on eggs and fry. Many fish eggs and fry are vulnerable to predation by other aquatic organisms, which can reduce the success rate of spawning. Habitat destruction. Destruction of critical spawning habitats such as wetlands and coastal areas can have detrimental effects on fish populations. Overfishing. Overfishing can lead to a decline in fish populations, making it difficult for fish to reproduce successfully. Pollution and contaminants. Pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial discharge, and other sources can contaminate water bodies, affecting the health and reproductive success of spawning fish. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel.